Hi everyone, Sarah here today with my smile kits from Mercy Tiara Kits. And I thought before I decided to play that I would unbox these with you really quick. And I try to do them pretty quick. As you guys have known and probably seen in other videos, we always get a Mercy Tiara Kits newsletter. It shows the kit, which is the Smile Kit for September 2024. It's got, you know, the Instagram and the Facebook group. Definitely suggest joining the Facebook group. It's got a coloring prompt, community spotlight, places for you to do planning, places for sketches, ideas for journaling, and free downloads, a sketch that you can use, and stuff like that. That comes in every month as well. I keep mine up here so that I can go ahead and use it. And I'm going to pull this all out of, well, maybe I'm not going to pull it that way. So I'm going to go ahead and pull all of this out really quick and knock everything around in the process. So I'm going to start with the cardstock. Brain no worky. Let's see. So this is the Smile Kit this month. This is the cardstock add-on. You get the basil, what is this? Pink icing. You get 2 sheets of that. Then you get basil marine mist. You get 2 sheets of that. Oh, purple. Now, those two are flat. They don't have a texture to them. And then this basil does have a texture. I don't know if you can see that there on the camera, but it has a texture. And this one is Heidi. This one, I don't think it's called Heidi. Maybe it's called, I guess it's called Heidi. And then we get this beautiful bright blue. It's huckleberry pie, and this is basil as well, but it's non-textured. So all three, this one, and this one are non-textured. This does have a texture to it. So that's the cardstock add-on. And I will move over to the main kit now. Okay, so this is the main kit. You get these gorgeous glittered stickers. They're from Chamel's Reason to Smile collection. So you get those, and they match really well with the cardstock over here and stuff throughout. You also get the Reasons to Smile 12 by 12 sticker sheet, or 6 by 12 sticker, not ticker. If you open it, it's a 12 by 12. But you get all these cute little stickers, little cakes, sunshine and joy, which will work really well because my birthday's coming up, and a birthday with a little one just passed, and my bestie's birthday. There's so many. So this is going to be fantastic to work with. I really like that little backpack, which will be great for back to school photos. We get an awesome set of these gorgeous sequins. I love the colors. There's purple. I am a purple person, and it's very hard to find a lot of purple in collections. So this is like a purple. It's a reddy purple, but it works. You also get this set of Adventurous, sorry, from Paige Evans. So you've got frames and postcards and tabs and just cute little things. So those will be really great to play with. You get this. It is a pre-cut cut file, I think, and it's on, like the paper itself is like shimmery, shiny white. So I can't wait to play with that. Then you get this from Adventurous, Paige Evans kit, or collection. I love this bright yellow. Here is another one from that. I love these butterflies, and then the gorgeous pink. It's a tone on tone with the flowers and stuff. So I do like that. Then you also get this one, more purples, which is cool. And then the writing on the back. Excuse me. Sorry about that. Then you also get this. I love this deep blue. It goes well with everything. It goes with this one as well, but this is from Chamel's. And sorry, there's always at least 3 with me. And then this, look at the purple, the 2 different shades of purple, the blues. Love this. And this is from Chamel's as well. It's like this one, I wonder if that's how that works. You can just lay it right over the top of it if you want to. And it backs the whole thing. That is so cool. I like that. And you don't have to, obviously, if you don't want to. But I love the way that that looks. And then it's got an orange on this side. It's so cute. I like that. I love that they thought to do it like that. You get this. Totally can cut these out. I've actually seen Gia. If you don't follow her, you should. But Gia cut around all of these and used them on a layout. I might have to kind of do that. We'll see. And then the back side is this splatter, and I love the splatter. It's so cool. This is from Chamel's Reasons to Smile. I like the cute little pots of plants and stuff like that. Too cute. But I love this wood grain. It's adorable. Let's see. I think this kit is made up of Chamel's Reason to Smile and Adventurous by Paige Evans. I absolutely love this. I love this rainbow on here. That is so awesome. And then there's these cute, adorable little pillows and blankets on this side. Love it. Let's see. What is the next one? And then there's this one with the pretty flowers. Easy. You know, fussy cutting is my thing. I love to do it. And then there's this pretty tealy color with the white flowers. Yeah, I'm probably going to fussy cut that. Can't help it. And then these tags from Adventurous. I love that. This is so bold. I love this stripe. It's just gorgeous. But this is so pretty too. Ooh, it's so gorgeous. Oh, look at the stars. Oh, I love that. And it's the purples. And then there's backpacks. Oh, I love that. And then this is the last paper. Again, you can easily fussy cut and everything. And then it's got the pink stripe on the back. So that is the main kit and the cardstock kit. Now let's see here. I'm going to set this to the side, and I am going to grab the embellishment kit. Let me see here. Oh, I already see some cute little things. So one, huge fan of this stuff. Big one, little one, I like them both. I think they're awesome. I do apologize. After I sneezed, for some reason, my nose is stuffy now. This is a acrylic. Words are not working for me. This is becoming more common. But this is a cute acrylic piece. It says Smile, and these come out. And then there's the outcut of Smile as well. So you get it's the same as this. You look at these cute little bitty. Oh my gosh, do they open? They do not open. Okay, they don't open. I really thought they did. But look at that charm. It is so stinking cute. Oh, I can't wait to play with that. And then you get the puffy stickers from A Reason to Smile. I love the cute little leaves, the stars, the rainbows, the little backpacks. Awesome. You get the Paige Evans ephemera with the florals. You get a ton of florals in that. Those are so fun. And then you get these. Oh my gosh, I love these. Sunny Days, Believe, Beautiful, Good Books. I love that. I am a book reader. Love me some books. I need to go ahead and document some of that, I guess. I don't really document my reading. I should. Now, last but certainly not least, the mixed media add-on. I am super, sorry about the noise. I am super excited to try these and play with them. Plus, I know that I can use them with things coming up and stuff like that. Like, even Halloween's coming. I always use purple in my Halloween. So I'll be able to use that. That's Wilted Violet. I have not used these yet. I'm actually really excited to use these because I have seen different things done with them. And I'm kind of just wanting to see how they differ from, you know, the other distress sprays that I've had, or even the older ones of his that I've had, because I have a ton of old Tattered Angels. I have shimmers, I have Brutus Monroe, I have Heidi's Swap. I mean, I've got them all around here too, and I'm getting where I use them more and more. I'm getting back into playing with my mixed media more. But I've seen some really cool stuff with these, and the colors are just absolutely gorgeous. So I'm looking forward to playing with these. So that is the Smile kit from Mercy Tiara, along with multiple of the add-ons, the embellishment add-on, the cardstock add-on, the ephemera, right? The embellishment add-on, cardstock add-on, the main kit, and have to remind myself sometimes too. And the mixed media add-on. So if you like what you saw with the kit, make sure to stay tuned, and I will be sharing multiple layouts with this. Make sure you check out the links below so you can check out the Facebook group and the Instagram, and then make sure you check out a bunch of the other design team members as well. They are all over YouTube, all over Facebook and Instagram, and we're just always sharing different things. So make sure you check in. Thanks for watching. I'm off to create now. Bye.